Singapore's Personal Data Protection Commission is reminding organizations they cannot indiscriminately collect, use or retain identity card details from Sunday. That's when new stricter rules come into force.
Companies this week are putting the finishing touches on purging their databases. Some are also adopting new solutions to manage personal data collection. Li Ying with more.
Paradise Group has over 430,000 members on its rewards program. From September, it will not be able to use the NRIC numbers to identify members as new rules to protect such data kick in. Organizations cannot collect, use or disclose the NRIC numbers. But they may still collect partial NRIC numbers, which are the last 3 digits and the following letter. To comply with the regulations, the restaurant chain is deleting the identity card information from its database. And it has spent $50,000 to develop a new app to manage the rewards program. Members are given a temporary prefix comprising their partial NRIC numbers and birth date and will be prompted to change to a new user ID when they log in. It's now migrating its members to the app, but there are teething issues because of inaccurate or incomplete information.
There are members who may not be contactable for us because we don't have their email address or their mobile numbers in the system. They can actually reach out to us via email. As of now, we are looking at about close to 50 emails a day, which is more than, or I would say close to 5-fold from previously before we launch the app.
The group hopes to move 80% of its members onto the app in the coming 6 months. Security companies like Twin Rock Global also had to make changes to meet the new regulations. Since June, its updated app has been used for visitor management at premises like courts.
To ensure that our solution was PDPA compliant, we needed to modify our system a little bit in order for us to mask out the first few digits of the NRIC number. And of course there was some cost in the development of that. It was not much, it was perhaps a few $1,000s.
The company says most building owners are concerned about not being able to retain physical NRICs as collateral to manage visitor movement.
Another way that we can monitor where they are at is by giving them a sticker that has got an NFC chip embedded in it. So when they leave the building, our scanner will immediately pick up that they have left the building.
The company says the stickers can cost up to a few $1,000s a month, depending on the number of visitors.